A user connects to a company system remotely through a remote desktop gateway. Login accepted. Session begins. Everything seems secure. But on the other side, someone is watching the entry point. This is a remote desktop gateway exploit. Attackers target the gateway that controls remote access because it sits between users and internal systems. The gateway handles authentication and routes remote sessions. If it's misconfigured, unpatched, or vulnerable, attackers exploit it to gain access. Sometimes by bypassing authentication, other times by abusing weak configurations. Once inside, they can connect to internal machines as if they were a legitimate user. No direct breach needed, just access through the gateway. Attackers love this because it provides a direct path into the network. And remote access tools often have high privileges. It happens in enterprise environments, remote work infrastructures, and organizations using remote desktop services. Anywhere centralized remote access is enabled. Keep remote desktop gateway systems fully patched and updated. Enforce multi-factor authentication for remote access. Restrict and monitor who can connect through the gateway. Because sometimes the doorway is protected, but the gate itself is the weak point. Follow me before hackers follow you.